I learned my very first day at turf school back 100 years ago at UMass that the only way that you're effectively going to get a plant to grow, it doesn't matter if it's grass or tomato or a cucumber or what it is, you need seed to soil contact. Seed to soil contact. If you're just broadcasting seed over the top and it's not making its way through that thatch layer down into the dirt, it has absolutely no chance of. It might have a chance to germinate, but it has absolutely no chance to actually develop and grow. And a typical lawn care aerifier is only going to make a hole every 8 to 12 inches. Yeah. So what you guys are doing by buying the best, newest equipment that there is out there and keeping up with that technology, and then running that particular machine over the lawn 3 times, you're really increasing the amount of little planters that you're making to put the seeds into. And that's key.
3 times as many.
3 times as many holes.
When I first came to Green Meadow a couple of years ago, we were talking about aerating and seeding. Aerating and seeding, everybody aerates and seeds. And then Nate's company was telling me how he did it. And I'm like, wait a minute, Nate. He says, you don't aerate and seed, you triple aerate and seed and put down starter fertilizer. And from there, we took a practice that he already had in place and we improved it with John's help and Atlantic's help. And the science that goes behind what they do for seed, the science that goes behind what they use as a product to start the seed, called humic seed starter.
Thank you for watching. We really appreciate your time. We were committed to this video to make sure that we gave you something that really gave you a thorough explanation of what we're doing. We put a lot of thought, a lot of time into coming up with an amazing process to give you increased thickness throughout your entire lawn, giving you dramatic results there, upgrading the grass types in your lawn, and also making sure we've got improved growing conditions so that your lawn root system can grow deep and be ready for you to have a great next year. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.